This tutorial will walk you through a quick setup guide on how to host your very first website with DreamHost. Go to dreamhost.com and choose a hosting plan. For beginners, the shared hosting plan is the most affordable and easy to start with. Next, you can register a new domain through DreamHost or connect one you already own. Once your account is set up, log into the DreamHost panel. This is where you'll manage your website, domains, and email. In the panel, go to Website, then click the one-click Installs and choose WordPress. Select your domain and DreamHost will automatically install WordPress for you. After installation, log into your new WordPress dashboard, pick a theme, add your content, and customize your website the way you like. Once you're happy with your setup, your website is already live on the internet. Share your domain link and you're ready to go.